Hello, and thank you for watching this video on affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, from what it is to how it operates. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic method to generate money online, whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or simply trying to increase your income. Let's get into the video. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing that is based on results. When an affiliate marketer promotes a merchant's goods or services, they get a commission. The affiliate tells their audience about the product or service, and if someone buys it through the unique affiliate link, they get a fee. Both the seller and the affiliate benefit from affiliate marketing. The affiliate gets paid a commission for pushing the product or service, and this helps the merchant get more sales. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to find a merchant or company that offers an affiliate program. Once you've found a merchant, you can sign up for their affiliate program and receive a unique affiliate link. You can then promote the merchant's products or services using your affiliate link on your blog, website, social media, or other channels. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. When selecting an affiliate program, it's important to choose a product or service that fits your niche or audience. You should also think about the rate of commission, how payments are made, and how well known the seller is. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share Asali are all well-known associate programs. But how will you promote your affiliate links? There are a lot of ways to get the word out about your affiliate links, such as putting reviews of products on your blog or site, making YouTube video reviews, using social media to share your advertising links, using Google or Facebook to run paid ads. Know that it's important to be honest with your readers and let them know that you're using affiliate links. Before you go, here are 4 tips for making money with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche that you are interested in and that people want goods or services about. 2. Make a strong connection with your viewers and give them something of value. 3. Be honest and open about how you use affiliate links with your audience. 4. Test and improve your affiliate marketing plan very often. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, but you have to put in a lot of hard work, be dedicated, and be patient. By following the steps in this video, you can get started with affiliate marketing and start making commissions. Make sure you pick the right affiliate program, push your affiliate links in an honest way, and give your audience something of value. If you want to learn everything there is to know about affiliate marketing, click the link in the description to get to our closed training. Inside, you'll find tips and strategies from pros that will help you become an elite affiliate in just 15 days. Take your place now, before it's too late. If you liked this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to get more like it. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey.